In this video from Device Doctor, we are going to fix the Epson L1455 error code 0xF1 step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Error code 0xF1 on the Epson L1455 is usually related to a carriage movement problem. In most cases, users think it is a serious hardware issue, but sometimes the problem can be much simpler than expected. As you can see, the problem is right here. The top cover of the printhead unit is not properly secured, and this is exactly what causes the 0xF1 error on the printer. Now, simply place the cover back correctly in its position. Then turn on the printer and wait until it becomes ready. The printer may go into a cleaning process, so be patient and wait until it is fully completed. As you saw in this video, the 0xF1 error on the Epson L1455 can sometimes be caused by a very simple issue that is easy to overlook. By carefully checking the carriage area and making sure all parts are properly installed, you can quickly solve the problem without any complicated repairs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.